Material preparation. Please read the operation guide and the sample pre-processing instruction on the instrument first carefully. Prepare all required materials according to the instructions. Take the NFC card from the reagent kit and tap it on the designated area of the analyzer to register the reagent batch information. Notice: registration is only required for the first use of each new box. Subsequent uses do not require scanning the NFC card. Prepare the consumables and reagents according to the operation guide. Consumables required per test: counting chamber multiplied by 1, combined reagent kit multiplied by 1, tips multiplied by 2, EP tube multiplied by 1. Notice: please check the types and expiration dates of the consumables before use. In addition to the consumables, the following materials must be prepared separately: disposable medical gloves, centrifuge and centrifuge tubes, pipette, and sterile saline, 0.9% nickel. Sample pre-processing. Urine testing supports two types of samples: non-hematuric urine and hematuria. Notice: use fresh samples whenever possible. If immediate testing is not possible, refrigerated sample at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius and test within 1 hour. Non-hematuric urine sample. For non-hematuric urine sample, centrifugation is required according to the pre-processing instruction. Use a centrifuge tube to collect at least 2 milliliters of non-hematuric urine sample and centrifuge it. Notice: the choice of centrifuge must follow the pre-processing instruction to avoid damaging the formed elements in the sample. After centrifugation, use a pipette to remove about 90% of the supernatant and retain around 10% of the bottom liquid. Close the tube cap and mix the sample thoroughly by inverting the tube several times. After mixing, use a pipette to transfer 200 ml of the processed sample into the configured EP tube for test. Hematuria sample. For hematuria samples, dilution is required according to the pre-processing instruction. Collect the hematuria sample into sample tubes, dilute the sample using sterile saline. Notice: the dilution factor of the sample must be recorded. After dilution, compare the sample with the turbidity dot scale according to the instruction. It should be translucent enough to faintly see the dots or appear clearer. If the diluted sample does not meet the standard after comparing with the turbidity dots, repeat the process and record the dilution factor. After dilution, use a pipette to transfer 200 ml of the processed sample into the configured EP tube for test. Sample loading. Input sample information. Input the sample information and make sure the species and sample types are correct. Then click the U/M/A button of the test mode. Select the processing method according to the sample type. For a non-hematuric urine sample, click centrifuge. For a hematuria sample, click dilute and input the dilution factor. Then choose the color and turbidity information of the sample. Load the sample. Assemble the required consumables according to the operation guide and insert them into the instrument. When the consumables are inserted correctly, the green check marks will appear on the screen. Then click the slot in. The instrument will automatically complete the test. Result query. During the test, the instrument will display the real-time progress on the screen. When the test is complete, the results will be displayed on the screen for viewing. Test finished. After the test, remove all consumables and discard them in the medical waste bin. Click Remove to end the test.